一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we're teaching you how to say I don't have time when you don't have time. 这叫没空。
没汉。
All right. 这个现在是光辉的10月啊，大家可能会约去看烟
火。
然后呢，可惜如果没空的话，
今年没看，明年看。
好像我们今天要教一段这样子的对话，对不对？ All right, let's hear this conversation about not being able to go see the fireworks for National Day.
草安部嘅國慶天花炮當好看。
大爽捱無限，無法度老唔窮下去。
冇關係，盲人還有機會。
Well, it sounds like a very lengthy conversation, so let's break it down, okay? 第一句呢，就是昨天晚上的國慶煙火真好看。The fireworks yesterday for our National Day was beautiful.
草安部嘅國慶天花炮。
草安部嘅國慶天花炮
當好看，
當好看 OK 真好看
是啊
Right It's beautiful Alright Looks great 昨天晚上叫做
草安部
草安部 That's last night 然後那個什麼國慶煙火怎麼說啊
國慶天花炮
國慶天花炮那對方就回答可惜我沒空所以沒辦法跟你一起去
大送愛無限
大送愛無限
冇法度
冇法度
老唔窮下去
老唔窮下去窮下去就是一起去嘛對不對然後大送是
就是可惜了
可惜啊 such a pity I don't have time I didn't have time 愛無限那沒關係啦明年還有機會 right no problem how about next year we got an opportunity again
冇關係
冇關係
盲人還有機會
盲人還有機會OK 明年盲人然後還有機會機會 that is opportunity 好那我們來rate 幾個單字包括我們的國慶 that's a national day
國慶
國慶 and then the fireworks 煙火
天花炮
天花炮 and then finally 沒關係
冇關係
冇關係 that means no problem alright no sweat and let's hear the conversation again
草安部嘅國慶天花炮當好看
大爽捱無限無法度老唔窮下去
冇關係盲人還有機會
alright and don't forget this whole month we're teaching you 沒空 no time
冇限
冇限 but if you have time don't miss out the fireworks they are beautiful and that does it for today's Practical Hakka
什麼大家
安子 say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council